Okay, so yeah, what's your name?
My name is Terence.
Terence?
Yes.
Tell my subscribers, what
Yeah.
do you do here?
Me, I'm a operator for spray booth.
Operator for the spray booth.
Yes.
So you operate the spray booth?
Yes, and help people if you bring car and help us for masking and other things.
Okay, you see that is Tebza. I fight with Tebza all the time. Guys, you see that is Tebza. Timza. I fight with Timza all the time. I give Timza a lot of hard time. Did you see? And then Peter, you guys know Peter. That's Peter there. Now the problem here is, this is a professional masker.
Yeah.
Right, he's a professional masker, so he knows how to use the sellotape.
Yes.
Give me some advice on how to do mask. Tell my viewers how to mask.
To mask a car?
Yeah, so now you're masking this keyhole, right?
No.
Yeah, what's the secret?
I can't tell you about the secret about the thing because the masking is obvious.
It's obvious.
Yeah, it's not.
So when it comes to Christmas time, are you good at wrapping presents?
Yeah, obvious.
Oh, okay, alright. Hope you guys liked the intro with the masking guy. It was kind of funny, really cool, kept me going, even though we were waiting there for such a long time. Time flew because he always was cheerful, bubbly, and he was, he just kept us patient. Anyway, here you guys see the second spray job for the car itself. We had some imperfections in the paint and things like that there, but what we did was we went back to the spray booth now for the third time and trying to see if we can correct it and try and hopefully get to maybe an 80% concourse job. If we get 100, I'll be extremely pleased. So in the next few slides, what you're going to see is Temza putting a base coat over the panels itself, and then you'll also see him putting the clear over that, and then towards the end of the video what you'll see is us actually wet sanding the car and then getting it prepared for polishing. So hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, this is some footage, just random footage that I've put together for this particular video. Enjoy. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos and our new product, Saliva. So what I want to do is I want to show you guys how to use Saliva as a paired conditioner, as well as an after prep or like an after effect on the actual panel itself. This is all part of the last few processes for it. So first things first is obviously I'm going to be doing this with one hand, so just bear with me. First thing you want to do is clean the bed. Right, once the bed is clean, clean the panel. Okay, I like to use compressed air. You can use whatever you want to. Then I take my Saliva and condition the pad. There's the pad conditioned. Use my product. There we go. And I can't actually do this with one hand. Maybe I can put the camera like this. Let's see how it looks. I'll do this small section here. Again, taking my saliva, just cleaning the area where I'm working on. Give it a good clean. Put my product on. Working in this small area. This is what we're going to do. Then next, before I wipe the panel down, just spray some saliva on it and just wipe off the residual. And there we go. That's how to use it as a panel wipe as well as saliva. I already did this here, so you can see on this side here I still have a bit of hazing due to polish that's left over. I already did this entire panel. Then just give it a good wipe down to remove the residual leftover polish that was still on the surface. See, it makes breeze of removing it. So if you're looking for a flawless finish, there we go. Look what it has done. Ultimate gloss, guys. No filters, nothing on this particular panel, just saliva, first cut. Absolutely stunning. So where we are in terms of the build itself is I'm busy polishing the car at the moment. Once I'm done polishing the car, I got the interior and all of that there, which I'll put back into the car, put a new set of tires. What we have here is we have new rear rotors, new rear disc pads, as well as in the front we have new rotors, new disc pads. From an interior, from an engine perspective, redid all the gaskets, everything has been changed. I need to do a detail on the inside of the engine as well. I changed the water bottle, I changed that particular water bottle as well. Apparently that is discontinued, so I need to source that. I don't know where I'm going to find that from. So once I'm done polishing the car, which is taking me days upon days to do, so I don't know, it might take me a couple of weeks to get this thing perfect, but that's what we're hoping for. So that's an update on the E30 M3, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Support the channel, support our newly launched product, SALIVA. It's absolutely fantastic. I will not put my name onto something that's not there. It's blended in-house. Everything is done in-house for this particular product. It can be used as a high gloss detailer, clay lube, rinseless car wash. I mean, it's pretty much a 3-in-1 for nearly half the price of anything out there. Yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hopefully on the next one I'll be able to show you guys the completed car. Enjoy, be safe, and please continue supporting the channel.